Okay, rational or irrational. This is pretty straightforward, right? So, pretty much, if you can represent the number as a fraction, it's rational, otherwise irrational. Any square roots of non-perfect squares, irrational, right? So, A, we have root 9, but that's 3 plus 5/17. That's 3 as a mixed number. That's 3 and 5/17. That I can represent as a fraction, so therefore it is rational, right? Rational. I'm going to use R, right? All right. B, 2/3 plus pi. Pi is an irrational number. It cannot be represented as a fraction. It does not terminate. It does not repeat. Irrational, right? C, 5 times root 11, that's 5 root 11. 11 is not a perfect square. Therefore, this is an irrational number. Square roots of non-perfect squares, irrational, right? And D, root 12 times root 3. That's the same as root 12 times 3, same as root 36, which is 6. That is a rational number, right? Rational number.